In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. First of all, go into settings and scroll to hit display. Now scroll again just to select font size and style, and when you're ready, select font style. Now, you can either tap on one of those font styles to apply the best one. Over here you can always go back to the default one wherever you want to. And after tapping on font style you wanna apply, just go back. All of your changes will be automatically saved, just like in my case. Now, if you want to try something else than those three font styles, click on Download Fonts and install the best one for you after logging in to your Galaxy account. To download any of those font styles, click on this button next to the chosen one, or tap on it, and select Install at the bottom. Wherever you decided, your font style will appear on the list. So go back to it and tap on New Font Style to apply it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!